From the school, what I come to know is fantastic. Coming to the sports day, it reminds me of those days I was in Lawrence School Lovedale in Ooty. It's a boarding school for 3 years. And I was there and I was part of the athletics team and I won best athlete that time. So I know the Josh in you, how you're feeling right now, get on the field. But always remember only one thing. How much ever you lose, take it as an example, take it as a method to learn more. You are at the beginning of your career. You will feel a lot of challenges when you go ahead. This is the best time for a small kid to a 12th class guy, to a boy or girl. This is the best time of your life. Enjoy it responsibly. If you win, lose, that is the medial now. Just if you lose, learn from it. When you win, you don't learn then. You stop. You feel that I am the best. That's not the case. After 10 years, you feel a lot of challenges going on every day in your life. There will be a lot of problems. This is a turning point. You lose here, you give your best, and then you learn from those things. Basic example is learning, not winning. You're not here to see who's winning. I want to see who's learning from that mistake. So the next time when I come here, that person should win. That is an example you set. If I lose, it's okay, but you will give your best. Fantastic school, and I heard the results are also out, and you guys did fantastically well. So learn from every bit. And there's a lot of young kids, a lot of driving. Give your best on the sports field. Discipline is very important. There is nothing more than discipline. When you're disciplined, right? All the sportsmen, all are very, very disciplined. You see the YouTube generation. You see that everyone is disciplined. How many of you know Neeraj Chopra? You know, javelin thrower. You know, he was not born as a javelin thrower. He was also from a village. He started with something. Let's start maybe at this field, maybe at a field in Delhi, in Haryana. It was a normal day for him. He began with those things. When you begin with those things, you never know how many of you, maybe after 10 years, one of you becomes an Olympic star. No one knows. No one knows what's written in your hand. You have to just give your best and just work on it. People generally give up. You lose today, you give up. I don't want to do this. This is not meant for me. That's not the case. No one knows after 10 years who will be on TV, who will be on the at the world stage. So just give your best and leave the rest. Enjoy your life. There is nothing more than that. Enjoy every day which comes. Today is an important day. Give your best. Whatever happens, leave it to God. You do your best. You can't do what. When you sleep today at night at your home after participating, you should be the happiest. That I gave my best. Results are whatever that is. Okay? I'll not take much of your time. All the best. Do well. Make your parents proud. Our parents are here. Make them proud. They'll be the happiest to see their child shine. Not giving up at any sport. Whatever it is. Don't give up. You run a 400 meters. When you run 400, at 300 you feel that yeah, this guy's ahead now and I don't want to push. That is the time to push. From 300 to 400, all the minds are same. All are thinking only one thing, yeah, I'll leave it. If you push from here till there, you'll win. Because that time everyone's mind is weak. Okay? All the very best. I'm really happy to be here and I'll witness some of your things. All the best. Take care. Thank you everyone. All the best. Thank you.
Never give up, face every challenges and do your best. Thank you so much, sir.